My name is Munandar and I am under supervised by Professor Vanson Liu. Now I would like to present my poster. Soft coral is one of the animals that is considerable use in the aquarium. Nowadays, soft coral farming has been widely used to decrease the fishing pressure of wild populations for ornamental trade and natural products. Since their colony is generally soft and flexible, therefore, only a few studies try to quantify the growth rates either in the field or aquarium system. The planar area measurement approach has been commonly used to measure the growth rates of sclerotinia corals. However, it is not yet being evaluated for its applicability on soft coral. So in this present study, we use Sinularia penghuensis with the three class of fragment such as 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, and 2 centimeter to represent small, medium, and large size. All fragments were derived from the same colony. Then we fixed on a tile with dimension 10 by 10 centimeter and distributed randomly in the mesocosm. Two treatments were applied including finger touch and placing in the fragment in the air for 1 minute to avoid influence of polyp extension before taking photo underwater. Three independent trials were carried out for consecutive 7 days, including finger touch treatment before taking photo for one side, a treatment before taking photo for four side, and conducting the second trial again. The photograph conducted twice per day, morning and night time, and a 5 photo were taken for each side. So the goals of this study were clarify the minimum photo requirement for each site, the minimum site required, what time is preferring, day or night time, and the last one is which size of the fragment is applicable for this method. So this figure illustrated the photograph mechanism in the mesocosm. There is a 10 centimeter distance from camera to the fragment. The result of this study, 1. The minimum photo required. In the figure 3, show that there was no significant difference between 1 and 5 pictures used for planar area measurement on three sites either at daytime or nighttime across consecutive 7 days. 2. The minimum site required. So in the figure 4A and 4B, we can see the result from the first comparison, 1 versus 4 sites, show that there was no significant differences among three sites, either day or nighttime, except for medium size, across consecutive 7 days. In figure 4C and 4D, similar results were also observed in the second comparisons, 2 versus 4 sites at daytime. However, at nighttime, there were no significant differences across consecutive 7 days for all size tests. 3. The best time to conduct the measurement. In the figure 5A and 5B, our results show that there was no significant differences between day and night time for small and medium fragments at all trials except at the first trial. As shown in figure 5C, the larger fragment measurements show a difference in all tests except at the second trial. 4. Applicable size of the fragment. In the figure 6A to C, the results show that the planar area measurement of small size fragments were different at daytime across 7 days for all trials. In the first and second trial, there was a significant differences across 7 days in medium and large fragment, except the medium size was only true for the first trial. Meanwhile, in the last trial, no differences were found among 7 days. In figure 6D to F, the results show that the planar area measurement at night time from 3 trials. It was similar to daytime in all fragment size, except the medium size in the second treatment was different across 7 days. Based on our result, we suggest that the air treatment can make polyp fully retracted, which decrease the variation introduced by polyp extension. And the unstable of the second trial may due to the natural behavior of polyp retraction and extension. Through this evaluation, a standard protocol is established, and fragment size below 1.5 cm is not recommended to apply this method to study the growth rates of Sinularia penghuensis in the mesocoel. This is the last of my presentation. Thank you.